Hello, it's Yuto from suchirecipes.com. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make creamy Japanese white stew from scratch. It's a great recipe for winter. Let's get right into it. 300 grams of chicken thigh, or you can use chicken breast if you prefer. Or this recipe can even be made with salmon. 100 grams of broccoli, 2 medium-sized potatoes, 1 carrot, 1 red bell pepper, 1 white onion, 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of white wine, 1 teaspoon of chicken stock cube, which is about half tablespoon, 400 milliliters of milk, 2 tablespoons of double cream, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 pinch of salt, a pinch of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of grated cheese, preferably hard cheese, 10 grams of unsalted butter, half teaspoon of parsley for garnish. Cut the carrot, potato and broccoli into bite-sized pieces. I personally prefer slightly smaller than bite-sized chunks. Slice the onion and cut the red bell pepper into 3 cm squares. Roughly cut the chicken into bite-sized pieces if you're not using a pre-cut one. Sprinkle the chicken with a pinch of salt and a pinch of pepper and 1 tablespoon of flour and mix well. Heat a pan on medium-high and add a tablespoon of olive oil. Sear the chicken pieces in the pan and fry until brown on all sides. Take the chicken out of the pan and set aside. Using the same pan, add another tablespoon of oil and fry the onions, carrot, red pepper and potato together for 4 to 6 minutes or until the onions have softened. Keep stirring from time to time to prevent vegetables from being stuck at the bottom. Put the chicken back into the pan and add 2 tablespoons of white wine. Add another tablespoon of flour and cook for about 3 minutes. Add the chicken stock cube and 4 milliliters of milk and mix. Once mixed, add the grated cheese and butter and broccoli. Mix again and add the 2 tablespoons of cream. Simmer for 7 to 10 minutes until carrots and potatoes are softened. By the way, do you like stew? Do you have a go-to stew recipe to make in winter in your country? Sure, we do like warming stews in the cold winter, and it's no different in Japan too. There are mainly 2 popular types of stews in Japan: brown beef stew and creamy white chicken stew. Japanese cream stew is one of many yoshuk dishes. Yoshuk means Japanese dishes that originated from the West. This dish is probably somewhat similar to the French stew called blanquette du veau, if I pronounce it correctly. Lots of yoshuk actually originated from French cuisine, by the way. However, the main difference between the French version and the Japanese version is that blanquette du veau is made with veal rather than chicken. Also, because Japanese cream stew is supposed to be a family dish, it uses less sophisticated ingredients so that kids can enjoy it too. Cream stew is popular enough to be part of school lunch in Japan too. I had it for lunch many times when I was at school. These days, pre-made white stew stock cubes are often used, especially for home cooking, but it's very easy to cook from scratch as well, as you have seen. Okay, enough talking here. I'll speed it up now. After simmering until carrots and potatoes are softened, garnish with parsley and serve with warm baguette, maybe. Here it is, quick and easy Japanese cream stew. Thank you very much for watching today's video. If you want to check out written version of this recipe, the link is in the description below. If you like this recipe video and want to stay up to date on easy Japanese cooking recipes like this, then click the subscribe button and also click the notification bell and you'll be first to know the next time we release a video.